Smile for the family vlog. We're getting famous now on YouTube, you know. Lincoln. Link. Is it cold? What? Oh. Batman. It looks very blue, doesn't it? It looks very blue. You going for a run? You enjoying your walk? You gonna do any walking? It's bloody cold! It's a nice opening. Over there. There's a car over there. How strange. Oh, is that where the lake turns from frozen to not? It's cool. We're at Ashby Ville Nature Reserve in Scunthorpe. It's 2 degrees and this big old lake is frozen solid. We're supposed to be on a walk, but since we've got this pump truck, the kids don't want to walk anywhere. Oh, yes. Here's an arty-farty bridge. Are you enjoying your walk?
Yeah.
Yeah? You've not done much walking? What do you think to the lake?
It's
Good. Are you cold? No? My hands are cold. Oh, thank you. What do you think to the bridge? Mummy's on it.
It's good.
It's good. It's good. Go, dude. Are you cold?
Yeah.
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 No. I must be warm in their little truck. Neither of them are cold. Coming up to this creepy car. I don't know how it's got there. But if this was night time, it's horror movie stuff. There's someone in it. Hopefully not dogging. Don't know. There's a creature over there making a strange noise. That zoom looks shite. She's out. She's on foot. She's dressed like a mermaid. You want to get out? Come here then. You ready? Come on, Batman. 1, 2, 3. Don't go anywhere near the edge, okay? So I don't want you to fall in. You might be dressed like a mermaid, but you can't swim.
I got no tail.
And it's cold. Go on, lad. you can see half the lake that's still frozen, and then you can see the water in the background. Slow down.
Poor little monkey.
Enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful view. I'm having to cut the walk short. Someone needs a wee. So, quick walk around the rest of the route, and then stop off at Burger King. I hope you're enjoying this view of the bottom half of my face. Tell you what though, if you live in Lincolnshire, it's a nice easy walk. It's very flat. So pretty much a track like this just goes around in a big circle. Probably get a wheelchair around here if you needed to. Push chairs, definitely. Weird industrial truck things that the kids like to lay in. There's quite a few cool photo opportunities like that as well. Houses in the background ruin it a bit. Nearly back at the car, hopefully. The surprises keep coming with this place. I'm supposed to be rushing round to get Minnie to the toilet, but it looks like we're probably only halfway round. And then we'll come across this sick ass bridge. It's the gift that keeps on giving. What do you want to talk about? Had a good day?
Yeah.
Did you? Oh, that's nice. Did you enjoy your walk?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you like? What did you like about it? Pardon? Juice?
Yeah.
So the best thing about your walk is getting your juice. Is that what you're telling me? Just spend an hour walking around a nature reserve, and the thing you're happiest about is your pop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Worthwhile.